Yeah, so the team who has the data problem fixed, they can spend their time on, analysis and process improvement and be able to stand back and survey the best practice and tweak their program and improve their program. For companies that have not solved the data problem, they're in the weeds trying to get the data together. They are data managers. They're not FX risk managers. They're constantly trying to cobble together data from different sources and trying to make sense of it. So it's way more stressful for the team, time consuming to try and get their exposures together. With AtlasFX, the data is provided to you. So now you can react to it, analyze it, research it, and figure out where any changes came from in the business and interface with the business and understand how the business is moving and how exposures are changing and so forth. So it's very much time saving and visibility improvement for the team.